you can see Tello is in this cage. The reason why I'm showing you guys this, because so you guys will understand. It's recording. You can see with the cage on, you might think it's blocking the speed right here, but it's actually not. With this cage, it's awesome, man. You can see what it can do. It's not affecting the flight performance on this one. It's really lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can hit a wall, see what's gonna happen. It's probably gonna shut off because Tello has this sensor. So Tello has that sensor, and that's the reason why it's doing that. But it's gonna go ahead and fly again for the safety, for the props, and for the motor also, for not burning or anything. But you can see it, it's working. Again, like I said, if you want to go ahead a wall with it, and I'm gonna give you a demonstration here, see if I can hit a wall. No, I'm gonna go ahead and run into that thing right here. All right. Off. Sorry. Wow. Again. I'm gonna run over that wall just to show you guys what's gonna happen. And here you go. See, it's gonna shut off, and it's gonna go back in that direction. So even though you don't have to never have to bend over for your drone anymore. It's a game changer. Here you go again, one more time. See? Oh, it did blow up the props. Oh God. Wow, you guys see that? That's interesting. Wow. Thing is, I think I went too fast. But if it does, see? It's not really gonna do anything. See that? But of course, when you bump it hard enough, and it's gonna bounce back up. I'm sorry. So you see what I'm talking about here, and then you can just go ahead and relaunch it. Oh, I'm sick. One of the blade came off now. Wow. You know, just hit it like that. It ain't gonna hurt. The safety is gonna shut off. But you see what I'm talking about? It will never hit the roof. It just stays up there. It might make that weird noise. See? It's not gonna hit anything. You see that? Actually, the battery came off this time. Wow, it's like GoPro karma. Wow. Full speed. Yeah. So yes, your props is gonna come off, and your propellers. I'm sorry, your propellers, your motor. Just letting you guys know that, because this thing right here is just not strong enough to stop the force. Slow speed, you're not gonna damage anything. But like I said, if you put like a fast impact, props is gonna come off. It's gonna shut off because of that safety. You don't want to put this in a sport mode, okay? Or a fast mode. This one is just for you going to the house and have a good time and go slow and, you know, pick up stuff and do crazy stuff with it. So it does its job with the prop cage on. Go ahead and see. You can't flip them. Can he flip with the cage on? Let's see. You can't. Can Tello lift an apple? Nope, he can't. Tello can lift a bread. So if you're hungry, your girlfriend or your wife or your whatever, you can tell them, hey, can you put a piece of bread here? Peanut butter and jelly. Let's see if I'll pick it up. And it can. Oh shit. It can. It can pick up. Just to be honest with you, on this cage, it's good. I mean, like I said, for playing around in the house and you just want to go hit some like a little bump, it's not gonna damage it. Or you might go all the way up to the ceiling like this. It's not gonna damage it. The only way you'll damage it if you force it strong enough, then you will. But like I said, it's fun. Like right now, I'm having fun with it, and you can see it's just cool way to fly. Maybe if you want to teach your kids how to fly Tello instead of you using the other prop guards, and you can see here it's not hitting the lighting. I'm sorry, even though with the front thing on the front, it's not gonna affect the video quality of it. But like I said, it's fun if you just want to have a good time with it. I think that's the reason why I bought this. You know, I got it at Amazon for I think $15. I know they're probably gonna sell this for like $10 or $5, and you know, this is the new release. But like I said, it could be stronger, it could be better. The reason why I'm saying that, because you saw what just happened. Like hit a wall and just automatically take out the props guards. And the reason why I'm saying that, because the way the impact, you know, Tello has some weight to it, so he needs more of a protection, more strength of the cage. But like I said, if you don't go too fast, you're just going too slow, you know, it's not, you know, I think it's pretty good to do. Just don't, you know, like right now what I'm doing right there, it's not even hitting anything, and that's about it. But you can't do flips on this. Let me see if I don't have enough. Yeah, I don't have enough battery. But you can't do flips on it. But like I said, it can pick up a bread. It can't pick up apple. Apple is too heavy. But if you have something like maybe like a grapes, or I don't know, you know, just something fun. You know, you can put like a little crackers in there or cookies, you know. You can lift it up and you can give it to somebody, and like I said, it's fun, man. You can teach your kids how to fly this, and I mean, look, it's not hitting anything. I mean, not like damage anything. Like again, see? Am I gonna recommend this from you guys? Yeah, I would. I mean, like I said, don't be too risky with it, you know, like just be smooth. Just don't do it too hard and you're fine to go. Just go slow. I mean, if you want to go filming, the more slow you are, the better filming of footage you're gonna have anyway with Tello. So like I said, you know, I don't know what the effect on the wind yet. I'm gonna fly this tomorrow in the wind. Like I said, it's fun to have. Just something. Maybe you can, if you're a beginner and you want to get confident flying Tello without, you know, thinking of hitting anything, and this way to go. So right now I'm just going around. One more time. See if he does hit it strong enough, it'll take a prop down.